Hey guys, I'm Ashley.
And I'm Liz, and this is Dancing in the Kitchen, if you didn't already know.
And we're back for more.
We are back, and we are making this time our almond flour banana bread. And we're taking it all the way back to the pandemic, y'all, because everybody made banana bread during the pandemic, me, myself included, like every week. So this is our,
Better banana bread.
Thank you, better banana bread. I like that. So.
Been catching every glance you're throwing at me tonight. Yeah.
Take it away, all the good ingredients.
All the good ingredients. So we are actually focusing on our main ingredient here today, almond flour, and the power of the mighty almond for mood and mental health.
Yes, and it is mighty. Let her explain.
Yeah. So there are a variety of compounds in almonds that help the nervous system, the brain, and thus mood and mental health. First up, we have pyroxidine, and pyroxidine helps improve communication between neurons. Then we have phenylalanine, which is actually an amino acid, and amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. Phenylalanine helps with cognitive function. We also have L-carnitine, another amino acid, and it helps with brain cell growth, as does riboflavin, a B vitamin, and we've talked before about how powerful B vitamins are for promoting mood and mental health and nervous system health. And then finally we have acetylcholine, and acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter, so it's involved in the communication between neurons, and it is involved with memory and helps to protect against neurodegenerative diseases.
Good one.
I got it that time.
Yay!
And that includes things like Alzheimer's and dementia.
Awesome.
So a very powerful.
Super, super powerful little nut.
Yeah, very much so.
Yeah.
And one thing that I thought was really interesting that I just kind of wanted to throw in, if you had this genetic disorder, you would very likely be aware of it because it's something that's screened for with newborns. But it's called phenylketonuria, PKU.
Okay.
And it actually is a genetic disorder where people can't really metabolize or process phenylalanine, one of the amino acids we spoke about, and it can build up in the nervous system and cause toxicity and thus neurodegenerative issues and symptoms. So I just thought that was really interesting, and the way that people with that disorder manage it is by avoiding foods that contain phenylalanine. Thus, for people who have PKU, almonds would not be a good choice.
Okay.
Yeah. But again, if this was something that you had or was affecting you, you would very likely already be aware because it's something that starts in childhood and is screened for with newborns.
That's good to know.
Anyway, let's get dancing and let's have some fun cooking up this delightful banana bread. All right, Liz, I know you're the dessert queen.
Yes.
But I have to be honest, you're on thin ice with me
Why?
because you ate all the banana bread. I didn't get a slice.
What? I thought you had.
No, I did not.
I'm so sorry.
Well, I am willing to give you one last chance.
Well, thank you. I
Which is,
appreciate it.
ironically, the name of your
Song this week. Oh my gosh, I love this song so much. It is a single from one of my good friends and collaborators, Jordan Powers, and we wrote this song with our producer, Stephen Conley. So we hope you like it.
Amazing. Let's dance.
One last chance to dance forever. It's now or never. And she's begging you to come and get her. Are you gonna let her go? You got one last chance to fall into the rhythm, baby. One last dance.
So in this recipe, we are going to be featuring this Primal Kitchen avocado oil. And one of the things I love about avocado oil is that it's really good for cooking at high temperatures, so frying, baking, sauteing. And you really want to avoid using cold pressed oils like olive oil because they degrade at high heat. They have a lower smoke set point, so when you're cooking with them, the nature of the fat transforms due to the heat, and avocado oil maintains its integrity when it's at a higher temperature. Yeah, and Primal Kitchen is a brand that we both really like. Yeah, you like their mayo, right?
I like their mayo, I like their sauces, barbecue sauce, and so this is the first time I'm actually using any of their oils, so I'm excited about it.
Yeah, and they do use their avocado oil in their mayo, so it's a better version of traditional mayo. And we only align with brands that we really feel are on the same wavelength as we are. Like, they're out there trying to make the world a better place. They're creating quality products that help people's health. And so Primal Kitchen is one of those brands, and we are really happy to be featuring their oil today. All right, so we are ready to get cooking with this better banana bread. And the first step is that we're gonna combine our dry ingredients, and then we'll mash our bananas and put our wet ingredients together and then mix it all. So we're gonna put the almond flour
in the little one.
All right, go. And then baking powder, salt, the cinnamon,
Coconut sugar.
coconut sugar, and then we're gonna whisk that together.
Let's keep this simple, not much
And the next step is we're going to mash our bananas in our big bowl.
safe. Don't fight the feeling the music makes. Let yourself go.
And then I need to crack a couple eggs.
Catching every glance you've thrown at me tonight. Yeah. And time.
Vanilla.
Your destiny is on the line. Oh, you got one last chance to dance forever.
Primal Kitchen avocado oil going in.
She's begging you to come and get her. Are you gonna let her go? You got one last chance to fall.
I've got the chocolate chips, and I'm gonna sprinkle those in, and we'll save some like we did for the brownies.
Come on, come on. Staying low key will hold you back. Got two left feet and blaming that. Don't go wasting a miracle. Something about this is spiritual. Now I know you want it bad. 'Cause I've been catching every glance you've thrown at me tonight. Yeah. And time.
We hope you guys enjoyed our better banana bread
And of course, our song One Last Chance.
to dance.
Of course.
We did. We had a good time.
We did. Luna's a fabulous dancer.
One last chance to
Stay tuned because we do have one more amazing harm reduction dessert recipe coming up for you. But in the meantime, drop us a comment. Let us know what you liked. If you have questions,
Subscribe.
like.
Coffee.
Ooh, buy us a
Like.
coffee. It supports the show.
Comment.
And
Coffee.
buy merch. Yeah, drink your coffee in your own customized Dancing in the Kitchen
That's
cup
right. With your banana bread.
and support our show.
It's like the perfect breakfast.
Yeah, it's really good. It's really, really good.
It is.
All right, we will see you on the next harm reduction desserts segment.
You got